Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real, live at 5 on Tuesday, August, is it the 5th or the 6th? I don't know because I didn't write anything down. This is going to be on the fly live at 5, kicking it back old school. This is how I always do my lives, just on the fly. I wanted to show y'all, I wanted to open this live, and so when I got this in the mail last night, I did open it with a knife, but I didn't look inside because I thought, no, I want the viewers to see what's in this box at the same time I do. This is from Wilkes County Hardware in North Wilkesboro, one of the places that I visited, and sweet owners, and had just the best time. There's a card attached. Let's see what the card says. Lisa, we enjoyed your visit with us at Wilkes County Hardware a few weeks ago. Just wanted to send you a care package as a thank you. I hope you enjoy all these items, all local. Baby book was purchased on Main Street at Baby Celebration, a sweet spot. Enclosing all others on the side for you to see. So these are all locally made kitchen rags. Okay, I love these. These are handmade. Let's see where she says they're from. Made by Kanoe Adams. It says Aunt Kanoe Adams. Isn't that cool? I love these. They wash really easily and they dry really easily. Aren't they pretty, y'all? I know. I love getting a little surprise, right? I got 2 of those. Love those. So, Angie, if you're watching, thank you very much. From the bottom of my heart, I appreciate it. There's a farm animal family book that I can keep for baby Ward. That's so sweet. I just love that. Let's see. I got all kinds of goodies in here, y'all. Yeah, I know. It's nice. Some handmade soap, which I love. Oh, and it's black. Goat's milk, eucalyptus, and charcoal soap. I might be washing my face with that, Angie. Thank you. Love that. Let me put that back together, though, just in case. That's by Kendall Privet. That's the card that was in it. How nice is that? I just love doing these influencing things. I do. Getting to meet some of the nicest people. Let's see what's in here. And what y'all drinking live at 5? I should have asked right up there. Okay, I love this. Okay, let me show y'all what this is. Let me find a mason jar. Usually I have one right here handy. And of course that is a wide mouth. Hang on just a minute. I'm going to grab a small mouth one. I think I've got one right here in the cabinet. What's everybody drinking, by the way? I'm having flavored water, lime and mint. This is the pottery. And I don't know what they call these. Just see if she put it in here. Flower frog. And you put this on top of a mason and then put water in it and put your flowers in it. And it keeps them separated. Isn't that cute? I know. I'm tickled to death. I love that. Love it. All right, let's see what else. This is a whole box of goodies, y'all. Oh, these are handmade dish towels. Let's see. Vintage Home Studio. And they're on Instagram. Vintage Home Studio. How cute is that? Love lemons. That'll be set out on display in my kitchen. Love that. Got me some pink. Love that girly pink. Let's see what else. Oh, I got t-shirts from Wilkes County Hardware. Y'all, look at the logo. It's so cute. I just love it. The big old rooster. And it says, let's see, Wilkes County Hardware. NC. Isn't that cute? Love the color. Again, Angie, thank you. And I love this fabric. This comfort color. So soft. Love it. Love, love, love. Let's see what else is in here, y'all. Ooh, a sweatshirt. Oh, yes. Yes. And just my size. A Wilkes County Hardware sweatshirt. Soft material. Love it. Y'all are definitely going to see me wearing this. I know it's not sweatshirt weather yet, but when it gets there, I'll be having me a Wilkes County sweatshirt on. So, Angie, I thank you so very much, and thank you for all that contributed to it. Kanoe Adams, Vintage Home Studio. Logos were designed by Angela Searcy and team at Cook's Sporting Goods. And let's see, the Flower Frog, made by Kim Anderson Reed. Kim Anderson Reed, she's going to collaborate with us next month. I can't wait. And let's see, and the goat milk soap, locally made by Kendall Privet. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love homemade gifts. I love gifts, period, but I love homemade gifts. So thank you so much. And I did want y'all to see that unboxing live. Let me turn this around and sit down for a minute, and we'll chat for a few minutes. So what's everybody drinking for Live at 5? And then what's for supper tonight? Tonight in my kitchen, it's going to be leftovers. We're going to clean out the refrigerator. I have 2 different meals of leftovers in the refrigerator, and that's what we're having. Let me see what y'all are saying. Let me get down here where I can see y'all. I'm still in my uniform. I just got home from work not too long ago. Let's see. Oh, thank you, Angela. Appreciate that. I know I love the pink too, Sherry. A boost I'm supposed to get. It's like Christmas. I know, right? Kim Smith said, Russian tea, it's rainy and chilly in Cherry Grove. Okay, y'all must be getting part of that storm, part of Hurricane Debbie. So they call it a flower frog. I think that's what they called it, flower frog. Hey, Tracy, what you up to, girl? Good to see you on here. And hey, Brenda, good to see you. And hey, Bootsy. Soaked Bullock, let's see, good afternoon from Soaked Bullock County, Georgia. Water, just water. Yeah, I think we're all going to get a little bit of torrential downpours. We have not had any here on the farm yet. It's very overcast, and they're calling for rain for the next 4 days. And the news said 7 to 12 inches. So, yeah, it's going to be a gully washer, I'm afraid. Are you back working? I am, Teresa. I usually work Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I am back at the office that I worked at for 17 years. They had an opening, and Dr. Edwards called and said, you want to work? And I said, absolutely. It's like homecoming every time I go into work now, because I get to see patients that, like today, I saw a young girl that I did her very first dental cleaning, and now she's going to college. So I love being able to see those folks. 11 inches so far, and it's still raining. Bootsy, bless your heart. Yeah, I know. No baby yet. We're still on baby watch. I will let y'all know when we have different news than that. Thanks for all the sentiments and all the kind words, and definitely for the prayers for mom and baby and my son too. Wow, so glad. Yes, you always loved it. Let's see. Crystal Light, green beans, potatoes, and sausage, Roseville, Indiana, hot and steamy. Yeah, hot and steamy. It's not so hot here today. It's like 80, low 80s, but it rained at work, which I'm like 15 minutes from work, and it poured rain. Pauline's Live yesterday had tornado sirens going on. Yeah, I think we're all going to get some sort of, this part of the country for sure. Had a rain about 3 o'clock, clouding up again. I'm drinking Chick-fil-A frosted coffee. Ooh, Nancy, that sounds good. I thought about Paula. Sandy's at 103 in Oklahoma. Whew, now that's hot. We had to cancel our Myrtle Beach trip this Thursday through Sunday. I'm so bummed. Yeah, Tracy, I would be too. But if I had my choice, I wouldn't want to be on the coast with all this rain for sure. I mean, sometimes it's kind of nice to watch movies and play cards and that kind of thing, but when you're at the beach, you kind of want to be outside. Text me when you work. I need a good dentist. Kathy, I work on Tuesdays. If you call the office, you can say, put me on Lisa's schedule. That's no problem at all. And it's Dr. Tracy Edwards in Burlington, and she's excellent. And I really like her. She's not, she's very conservative in her approach, and I like that about her. And she explains things in layman's terms to folks, and I like that. We have had 5 inches so far in Coward, South Carolina. It's just started here. Yeah, I think the worst for us from what the extended forecast says will be tomorrow and Thursday. So, yeah, I'm dreading it. I ain't going to lie, because living with a farmer and it goes to raining and they need to be out in the field, it's kind of stinks. Just saying. Anyway, Cookbook orders went in the mail yesterday for anybody that is waiting on a cookbook. Those orders were caught up as of yesterday. If you want cookbooks, you can get them at cookandcuttenup.com on the online store, or Aprons. They're still in stock. I've got to work on some recipes tonight. I got a message from Paula Dean's people, and they wanted me to submit some recipes, that we could do together. So I'm going to look through the cookbooks and see what recipes I come across that I just think will be phenomenal. Because, when I'm going to cook with Paula Dean, I want the recipe to be phenomenal. So any suggestions y'all have of recipes that I've done that you just love that I could do? My next door neighbor growing up was a dentist. He never trusted anyone, but I understand that, Kathy. I do understand that. Let's see, supposed to have high winds Wednesday near Wrightsville Beach. Yeah, Sherry, I've seen that. I've seen that too. Where is Cute Cookie? Cookie's outside on the farm. She'll be in just a few minutes. Amy says pound cake. That might be a good one to do with Miss Paula. I haven't really given it a lot of thought yet. That's kind of my assignment for this evening. I'm going to look through cookbooks and see what I think would be fabulous. But suggestions are always welcome. That's how I found you the last time you... Oh, Michelle, that's awesome. I love to hear that. And happy Tuesday to you too, Jessica. Just catching you, Jessica said. Jessica, I'm so glad you called us live. I don't really have any other great, news for y'all today, except that it's Tuesday and I've had a great day. I hope you have too. Amy says she's making quick biscuits. That sounds delicious. Has Drew started pacing it? Kathy, listen, when they need us, they know how to contact us, and we're here if they need us. Happy to catch you live. Well, hey there, Rosalie. I'm glad you called us live too. Sitting in the river in Tennessee watching you. Oh, Lisa, that sounds heavenly. That really does. Anyway, when I have news, I'll share it. And again, appreciate y'all following the page. Do you ever cook anything in a 2-quart crock pot? Sharon, I cook a lot in the crock pot, but I've had my crock pot so long, I don't even remember how many quarts they are. Maybe a 4 and a 6 is what I use. But crock pot recipes are one of my favorite. Just had teeth cleaned this morning. I know, Carol, don't they feel good when you have them cleaned? I had mine cleaned about 3 weeks ago, and I just love the feel of that. Hey, Lisa, just got on. No baby, no grandbaby yet. Still waiting. Sending love and love. Thank you, Michelle. You are so sweet. And I send y'all love and blessings riding through this storm, too, because everybody's in different parts of the state, and, we'll be getting or observing different arms of that storm. Hi, Lisa from Missouri. Hope your night is wonderful. Thank you, Linda. I appreciate that. That's what I count on y'all for, is all the positive comments. I just love that, how we encourage one another. And Lord knows we need it for sure. Anyway, I'm going to hop off of here, get my leftovers out, and finish up some laundry, and then chillax. That's my plan for this evening. And I hope everybody's safe out there. Be too blessed to be stressed, too annoying to be disappointed. Here's to y'all, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for tuning in to the page. Bye now.